Hey guys, this crypto class into this video brought you update on the Base app. We are currently discussing everything about Base app, but today's video will be talking about the sending and the receiving of USDC or Ethereum Base under this. And mind you, this is already connected with Farcaster. So if for those that have Farcaster, it will take you to connect social app once you are registering. But if you do not connect, that is not a problem. I'm going to guide you on how to receive funds into this base and how to send out funds on this base. All right, you can send to your exchange, you can receive back on base, you can send to Farcaster. It is a three-way process. You can even send to Zora because they are connected. It is a 5-app linked together. All right, now what you are going to do right now is to come to this particular send and receive icon right here. You can see these two arrows. Remember, the method that you use on Coinbase, which is the old wallet, is different from the Base wallet. Is entirely different. Is a different app totally, because the way they renovate it, like the interface is no more the same as that of the Coinbase. You cannot see your passphrase. I'm going to talk about the passphrase, how to recover your passphrase from this, but it is a different process because I've checked out the old Coinbase and I've checked out this Base app despite a same Coinbase. All right, so let's quickly jump into how you are going to send and receive funds on this Base app. But if you are new on this particular channel and you haven't subscribed, this crypto class will bring you update on cryptocurrency, airdrop, web3, anything you need to know about web3. Just quickly hit on the subscription button and make sure you turn on your bell icon to all, so that YouTube will always notify you anytime we post any new video like this. And quickly go ahead and give us a thumb up button. Make sure you smash that like button and share to your friends, comment on the comment section, and quickly let's get started. Now you can see my balance right here is 37.86. This is not my main balance. I've told you guys how to earn from this. Is based on engagement. This is going to be splitted during the weekly TBA, which is on Wednesday. Now right here, let me go back to my profile so that you can easily see what I'm talking about. Once you go to my profile, on last week I was at 17.86. the weekly earn was $5. Then I don't know what might happen this week because the way it's running is not like the last week one, because last week was when the leadership board was established. So this one now is based on engagement. It's not running fast like that of the last week. So the earning for this week might increase depending on your post. This is just like the Twitter yapping where you have to turn to reply guys and then you can chat with your friends. I'm going to show you that, but the option now is not working accordingly. Like, is the process might work sometimes it might be error to tell you it's not working, that something went wrong. So let's go directly to what the video is all about. Once you click on this send and receive arrow right here, so it will give you room for you to trade, send, request, and then you can buy other coins right here. Now you are sending from this Base app to your exchange to your Farcaster. It's very easy on Farcaster. You can use username. It's very easy on Farcaster because it goes within 1 second because they are linked. All right, now for exchange might take up to 1 minute, 60 seconds, maybe 5 minutes, depending on the exchange you are using. Now once you want to send, just come right here that saying send. Once you click on send, now you are going to see these two boxes. All right, you can see zero crypto or forex, because right now they are making room for forex to be traded, like the Bybit. I'm going to bring that of Bybit of TradeFi, where you can trade gold, where you can trade every other thing, stocks that is different from crypto right now on Bybit in their recent renovation, which was done last week also. All right, now what you need to do is, if you have a balance, because I've sent out the 5 USDT to check out how this Base app work, how the send and receive button works. So you go ahead and enter, let's say 5. Now then go ahead and select what you are sending. Okay, so let's say I'm sending USDC. Because I don't have any balance right here, so it would have shown. All right, so I'll cancel, then click on this send to. Now what you need to do right now, you can see where I sent to, recently send. All right, I sent to my Farcaster. Let's go to Farcaster to copy this address so that you see that it's the same address that is here. But don't make mistake on your network, because once you make mistake on network, you might not see the money again, except you go and import your wallet, maybe on Rabi wallet, then you can see your total balance. Farcaster deal with 5 major network: the Base, the Arbitrum, the Solana, and then I think this is just the major ones that are operating on. This is the 3, because the Base comprises of Ethereum Base and USDC Base. Then we have Solana, we have Arbitrum. Now let's go there on Farcaster. All right, so this is my Farcaster, and you can see my current balance. I will click on this wallet side, then click on this receive side. Once you click on this receive right here, now you can see Base. You can see the other wallet that have been established. All right, the Base, the Solana, the Hyper EVM, the Mona testnet, then the Ethereum, the Arbitrum, the Celo. All right, you can see this Celo on Binance also, because that is the place I've seen Celo trading on. Then the Arbitrum and the Mona testnet can be sent out. I showed you guys how to collect FOSEP, easy way to collect FOSEP from Farcaster. That is the easiest way you can collect millions of FOSEP and do your Mona transaction. So once you come right here on Base, click on this copy link, then go back to this Base. All right, paste it on this search button. Right, it's going to still appear the same address. Once you click on it, then it's set. You can see the available balance. You can see sufficient balance because I've tried it to know whether it works. So it's sent out successfully. I'm going to check out the history also. If you want to check out history, you can see it on your activities also. So then you go ahead and enter the amount which I've already entered. Then you click on this add fund. Once you click on add fund, send your fund, it will go successfully. The same thing goes to exchange. Let's make use of Bybit. All right, now on Bybit you can see that if you update your app, you can see that a lot of changes on Bybit currently. So go to deposit. Once you go to deposit, click on deposit crypto. Then what you are depositing, because we have USDC, we have Ethereum, Arbitrum, select carefully on the network. Let's say we are making use of USDC because that is the weekly payment. So we click on USDC, and then the network you are going to select right there is going to be Base. Come down here, we have BSC, we have Ethereum. Don't misplace Ethereum with Base, it will not go. All right, so come right here, you will see Base mainnet. Click on Base mainnet. It takes 30 seconds for confirmation. So you click on Base mainnet. Once you click on Base mainnet, then copy your address right there. Once you copy your address, go back to your Base app. Then the same method we paste here. All right, let me quickly go ahead and search allow, then paste. All right, once you paste, you are going to see that it's going to appear right here. Once you click on it, then go ahead and add fund, send, and it will go successfully. It's just a simple method to transact between exchanges, between Farcaster, between all the 5 linked app on Base app. So in our next video, we'll be introducing more of this Base, because Base just came out new and everybody needs clarity about it. And do have a great day. I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to drop your comment and to smash the like button. See you in my next video, and stay tuned.